In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Gemini Apps Activity. Before we begin, here's what this setting does. Gemini Apps Activity is a record of how you use Gemini, like your prompts and responses, saved to your account to improve suggestions and features. Turning it off stops new activity from being saved, and deleting it removes what's already stored. This can help if you want more privacy or simply prefer not to keep a history of your interactions. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you actually use with Gemini, especially if you manage more than one account. Being in the right account ensures the changes apply exactly where you expect. Next, click Settings. You'll usually find this in the main menu or under a gear icon. Settings is the control panel for your Gemini experience, and it's where Google places all privacy and activity options related to the app. Now, click Activity. This section shows you how Gemini has been saving your usage data. Think of it as your activity hub. It's where you can see whether saving is currently on, how it affects your experience, and where you can make changes to your preferences. Here, look for the arrow next to the word On. Click the arrow to expand the options, then select Turn Off and Delete Activity. Turning off stops Gemini from saving new interactions going forward. Deleting activity removes the existing saved history associated with Gemini Apps Activity. This combination gives you a fresh start and ensures nothing new is added afterward. Keep in mind that when you delete activity, it can affect things like personalized results or suggestions, because Gemini will have less context from your past usage. That said, core functionality still works, and you can always choose to manage your settings again later if your needs change. As you make this selection, take a moment to read any on-screen explanations. They'll summarize what will happen to your past data and how your experience may change. This is helpful context so you feel confident about your choice. After you've selected Turn Off and Delete Activity, the setting will update, and you should see that saving is no longer on. That's it. You've opened your Gemini account, gone into Settings, visited the Activity section, and used the arrow next to On to turn off and delete your Gemini Apps Activity. If you ever want to revisit these preferences, come back to the same place and review the options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control of your privacy in Gemini with just a few clear clicks.